Wildfires are destroying our forests, communities, and ecosystems at an alarming rate. But what if groundbreaking technology could prevent the next disaster before it even starts? Hi, I'm Invent J, and today we're dropping into the innovative tech that's changing the game in wildfire prevention and control. Stay tuned to learn how this innovation could save lives, homes, and our planet. Wildfires have become more frequent and intense due to climate change, poor land management, and prolonged droughts. Every year, millions of acres are burned, costing billions in damages. The environmental impact, devastating. Carbon emissions from wildfires worsen climate change, creating a vicious cycle. But what if we could predict and stop wildfires before they spread? Let's talk about the game changers. 1. AI-powered predictive models. These cutting-edge systems evaluate weather patterns, vegetation, and terrain to predict wildfire risks with remarkable precision. 2. Satellite monitoring. State-of-the-art satellites deliver real-time imagery and thermal data, enabling firefighters to identify hotspots before they become uncontrollable. 3. Autonomous firefighting drones. Armed with infrared cameras and fire suppression equipment, these drones can swiftly tackle fires in hard-to-reach areas. 4. Smart sensors. Strategically placed in forests, these sensors monitor temperature, humidity, and smoke levels, instantly alerting authorities to potential threats. All these innovative technologies are remarkable, but we need to find a way to integrate them seamlessly with our properties. Imagine a new type of fire-resistant grass that not only doesn't burn, but also releases fire-suppressing gas around the property's perimeter, controlled by smart sensors. Homeowners would receive advanced notifications, giving them a crucial 2-hour window to prepare and gather their belongings. I love it. These technologies aren't just concepts, they're already saving lives. In California, AI systems have reduced response times by up to 90%. Smart sensors in Australia helped prevent what could have been catastrophic fires in 2022. This isn't just about innovation, it's about action. You don't need advanced tech to make a difference. Here's how you can contribute. Practice safe fire habits while camping or grilling. Support organizations funding wildfire prevention technology. Advocate for sustainable land management policies in your community. The future doesn't have to be filled with smoke and ashes. With these groundbreaking technologies and your support, we can protect our forests, our homes, and our planet. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more cutting-edge solutions to the world's biggest challenges. Together, we can create a brighter, greener future. Until next time, Tech Tribe, stay curious, stay innovative, and peace out.